Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Mr. Riley from Mr. Riley's World, coming to you live from the West Coast, the best coast, the West Side. So check it out. It's been a long time since I've gone online. I'm not too sure why. Actually, I do know why. But hopefully you're doing well wherever you're watching from, and I really appreciate your support and subscribing, liking the content that we have here on the channel. Well, today we have a special request. One of the subscribers was asking about one of the videos that I created a couple of years ago, I guess. Seems a very long time ago. And so basically, it's this video right here. And let me see if I can pull it up right here. It's this video here. It's the Elgato Stream Deck Ecamm Live sound effect video. Right now I have about right at 18,000 views, 128 comments, and 689 likes. And so we had a comment over here earlier today from Richard Dean. What up, Richard? This video's for you. And he just says, hey, let's kind of get into the comment that I want to show you real quick. He says, so you seem to forgot to show us how to get the speaker symbol on the Stream Deck to begin with. Well, Richard, what we're going to do today, we're going to help you to understand how to trick out your Stream Deck so that you can have that speaker icon on your Stream Deck. So let's go ahead and close this down real quick. And so there it is. There's that Stream Deck right there. And yeah, this is the profile that I'm actually operating in. The funny thing is, this is not the profile that is set up for the Stream Deck. Profile is not set up for my Ecamm Live, but hopefully the sound will still play through. And let's go ahead and hop into it real quick. So, Richard, you're talking about these, probably these speaker icons right here. Well, it's very, very simple. So in Ecamm Live, I have the capability. Ecamm Live plays very, very well with the Stream Deck. And so all I simply have to do is just come over here to where it says play sound. Just click on it and drag it over, right? Just click on it and drag it over. Just that simple. Now, in some of the other apps that are programmed into the Stream Deck, you can't do that. So like the game capture, you don't necessarily have that capability. There is some capability with the soundboard option. There is, let's see, there for Twitter, there's no sound option. And also on YouTube, there is no sound option like you have in the live streaming software Ecamm Live. So that's what I'm using to actually create this video right here. And so that's one reason why I believe my video is pretty popular, because it speaks directly to the usage of sounds in Ecamm Live. And if I mouse over and go to Twitch Studio, there isn't an option really for sound to be played. So yeah, some of the comments are like, hey, you need to help us out with the sounds. And I'm like, I don't know what you're using. But anyway, Richard, this is for you. So again, just go over down. Ecamm Live has a lot of options. And so simply just mouse over, click, and drag it over. Right. And then all you have to do is just program, just like we did in the other video, just program the button, right? So let's go ahead and I've already done the Jeopardy. Let's go ahead and for time's sake, let's go ahead and make that do it once again. So we're going to simply click on the button that we want to program. And as you see, it has a blue highlight around it. And we go over here and we want to tell it to play a sound, of course, choose sound, and we're going to go to the downloads, right? So choose file, and it's going to give me an option. We have the spinning gear that pops up, and we're simply going to use the Jeopardy sound. So we're going to click on the Jeopardy sound, hit open, and there we are right there. Right. And so if I were to actually, let me turn my music that I have playing off right now. Let me turn it off, and let me raise my sound effects level. And if I were to hit this button, and I have, just to make sure that you know that I'm going to hit the correct button, let's use the overhead cam. So this one is already programmed. This is the one that I just programmed, right? So if I click it, we should hear the Jeopardy Final Jeopardy sound. So let's see. And then if you touch it again, guess what? It stops playing. So let's go ahead and click the button and it stops playing. So it's like on and off, right? And then if I want to further trick out this particular button, let's go back to the shared screen. If we want to go ahead and enhance this second Stream Deck button right here, we're going to go over and we want to just kind of jazz it up. First, it has text at the bottom, and the text is just the name of the sound file. So we're going to go over here, click on this drop down menu, and where it says show title, we're going to uncheck show title, right? And so that removes the title. And now we have the flexibility, the capability of adding what we want to add. So let's go ahead and we're going to choose new icon, right? Because that's what we want. We want to make sure that this button is looks like the Jeopardy game. So create, or no, actually, I'm sorry, set from file. So we're going to actually go look for the file that we want. And so I know it's on my desktop, and it's kind of might be the last few folders. Yes, Stream Deck icons. And I'm looking for the Jeopardy. So let's see if I scroll up a little bit. We should see the Jeopardy. There it is right there, playing this day. And we're going to click on it. And now I have two buttons with the Jeopardy symbol. Now, if you notice, the first one over here, it has the text, right? So if I click on the button again, make it active because that's the one I'm going to edit. You see the blue ring around it. And I'm simply going to click the T, which stands for title. And if I want to show the title, I can keep it checked. If I don't want the title, and I really don't need the title because we know that we're playing the Final Jeopardy song, I'm just going to uncheck it and leave it alone. And so now I have two buttons that are ready to go that has the same exact sound. So I just went ahead and duplicated the same sound just for example. So if I just click the first button and I'm going to go use my overhead camera. And here we go, hitting the first one. And you should hear the sound. I'm going to hit the first button again, first Jeopardy button. That stops it. And I'm going to hit the second one. And I'm going to turn it off. So, Richard, hopefully that has answered your question as it relates to how to get the sound button into the Stream Deck in the first place. And so, just hit me up, leave me a couple of comments, and anyone else watching this particular video, just a small tutorial on how to actually begin the process of programming your Stream Deck XL, especially if you're using Ecamm Live, the live streaming software. Well, that's it. And, while I'm here, you can go ahead and do what Richard did, subscribe to the YouTube channel, MrRileysWorld, or you can, if you kind of like what we're doing over here on the channel, you can go ahead and buy me some coffee. You see the link right there in the video. And then last but not least, I kind of talked about it a few moments ago, Ecamm Live is a wonderful, wonderful piece of live streaming software. And so you see the link right there. If you want to go ahead and get a 15-day free trial, please, by all means, go ahead and visit that particular link. And, that'll be really, really cool. It is an affiliate link. And so if you happen to purchase Ecamm Live, just know that might help me out, with a little something in my pocket. So other than that, we just want to say we appreciate you watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. All right. Peace out.